definition has its own set of choices. You can't change your definition. So, but you do have choice within the context of your definition to choose how you're going to use those archetypes in their highest expression. So again, I have the 50-27. I can be codependent or I can be nurturing. That's really the same energy, right? But on a different place on the spectrum. And with awareness now, I can catch the codependency when it kicks in because it's part of my nature, and deliberately and consciously go, okay, I can be nurturing and even empowering. Sometimes I can be not nurturing because that's an empowering thing to do, and choose to bring out this higher expression. And the other energies, I can borrow them if necessary, but I can also not use them at all. I can sit in an emotional firestorm if I remember, because I forget with my emotional solar plexus, because I have the 30 connected to it, right? Defined. But I can all at times in certain circumstances, especially when I don't have a lot of attachments, that's usually the kicker, I can sit in emotional firestorms and literally not have any attachment to it at all. I can be totally Spock-like in that respect. It doesn't mean I don't care, because caring's not the same thing, but I'm not going to have that same emotional road, right?